You've felt it before, that sickening crack when something goes terribly wrong. Maybe it was your finger bending the wrong way during a game, or your ankle twisting on a bad step. That hot, electric pain that tells you something just broke. But here's what keeps me up at night. What if it wasn't just one bone? What if your body became a biological jigsaw puzzle, cracking and snapping like bubble wrap under pressure? How many bones can shatter before your body just gives up? Today, we're diving into the science of skeletal destruction, from minor fractures to cases so extreme they shouldn't exist. And spoiler alert, the human body can survive damage that would make a horror movie look tame. Level 1. The single break 1, 2, 3 bones. Let's start gentle. A single fracture is your body's way of saying, slow down. When bone breaks, it's not like snapping a stick, it's more like tearing living tissue. Your periosteum, that nerve-rich membrane wrapping each bone, screams in protest. Blood vessels rupture, creating a hematoma that looks like internal bruising on steroids. But here's where it gets fascinating. Your body immediately starts damage control. Within hours, immune cells flood the area. Within days, soft callus forms. Think of it as nature's internal cast. Most people can function with 1, 2, 3 broken bones. Hell, athletes finish games with fractured ribs, broken fingers, even cracked vertebrae. Your body compartmentalizes the damage, reroutes the workload, and keeps you alive. Level 2, multiple fracture chaos, 410 bones. Now we're entering dangerous territory. When you break 4 to 10 bones simultaneously, say, in a car crash, your body faces a systemic crisis. It's not just about broken parts anymore. It's about what those breaks release into your bloodstream. See, bones aren't just calcium sticks holding you upright. They're factories producing blood cells, storing minerals, housing marrow. When multiple bones shatter, fat from the marrow can leak into your bloodstream. This is called fat embolism syndrome, and it's exactly as terrifying as it sounds. Those fat globules can travel to your lungs, brain, kidneys, basically turning your circulatory system into a grease-clogged pipe. The 2018 Journal of Trauma Surgery documented that mortality risk jumps 20% with every additional long bone fracture. Your body starts trudging, deciding what to save and what to sacrifice. Level 3. Polytrauma territory. 11 to 30 bones. This is where medicine becomes magic. When 11 to 30 bones break, typically from falls above 20 feet or high-speed impacts, your body enters what trauma surgeons call the lethal triad: hypothermia, acidosis, and coagulopathy. Translation: you're cold, your blood turns acidic, and you can't stop bleeding. Each broken bone is a leak in the system. A femur fracture alone can bleed 1 to 1.5 liters internally. Multiply that by 20 fractures, and you're basically bleeding out inside your own skin. Your heart races to compensate, pumping what little blood remains faster and faster until it can't. But here's the mind-blowing part. People survive this with immediate medical intervention, tourniquets, blood transfusions, surgical stabilization. The body can endure what seems impossible. Level 4. The miracle case is 50 to 100 bones. Now we enter medical legend territory. The human skeleton has 206 bones. In 2010, a British woman named Emma Carey survived a skydiving accident with 104 documented fractures that half her skeleton shattered. She was conscious. She survived. She even learned to walk again. The answer lies in which bones break. You can fracture every rib, both arms, both legs, your pelvis, multiple vertebrae, and if your skull and vital organs stay intact, if your airway stays clear, if help arrives fast enough, you live. The body goes into preservation mode. Non-essential systems shut down. Your digestive system stops. Kidney function slows. Everything redirects to keeping your brain and heart operational. It's like your body becomes a sinking ship, sealing off flooded compartments to stay afloat. Level 5. The absolute limit. So what's the actual number? According to trauma literature and documented cases, the human body can survive with approximately 70 to 100 bones fractured simultaneously under optimal medical conditions. Beyond that, the cascading failures become unstoppable. But here's the plot twist. It's rarely the bones themselves that kill you. It's the complications. Compartment syndrome, crushing your muscles, fat emboli, clogging your lungs, pneumonia from being immobilized, sepsis from overwhelming infection. Your skeleton can be 50% broken and still technically functional. It's everything else that fails. The real answer isn't a number, it's a paradox. We're simultaneously fragile enough to break from a wrong step, yet resilient enough to survive being shattered like glass. Your bones can heal from damage that would destroy any machine. They remodel, strengthen, even grow back denser than before. Next time you bump your shin or stub your toe, remember this: your skeleton isn't just holding you up. It's a living system that can endure the unthinkable, rebuild from rubble, and keep you alive even when it's more broken than whole. We're walking miracles wrapped in skin, held together by a framework that refuses to quit. What's the worst bone you've ever broken? Drop it in the comments.